All right, good morning. We about to start the back testing process. So when I back test, I usually go through every day of the week on my certain pairs, and I check. As a matter of fact, we got this win here on GJ, but my magic keys started messing up and it wouldn't execute my partials. So I was just like, man, just take the trade. Got my 1% and left it alone, and it went to where I needed to go. It didn't tap New York highs, so next time we're just probably going to make this a zone. Like if we see something like this next time, we just probably gonna make this a zone, make this our next zone. Call it that. See if there's anything to the left. Anything to the left? Yeah, actually, there's plenty of things to the left. Let's see if we clone this. Made that a zone. We'd have been good. It'd have touched. We'd have got right. And stop loss would have been at break even, so we wouldn't have got hit with break even until here. Look like we would have got out if we didn't put break even, but that's why you said partials to go along the way, so you can get your partials along the way. At least that's why I do it. So we're gonna remove that. We're gonna go back on the daily. Even though we know what happened, it's good to you know what I'm saying, just pretend like have a clear mind when you're back testing. So we're gonna go back to Monday. All right, so first day of the week, what we doing? This what it looked like on Friday, and Sunday was New Year's, so it's not live on New Year's if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so Friday 12 a.m. So we usually get on about 5 o'clock, so 12 to 4 is this candle right here. If I go further, it'll show us what happened during the time that we usually get on. So we're gonna take it from here, and we're gonna put our 4 hour. The reason why we put our 4 hour down towards the bottom is because, well, actually, let's look left. What's happened left? Okay, so on the 4 hour, past imbalance, but we still have room left to go. We still got to get to here. Still got to get here. So let's this is a 4 hour line. And then we're gonna go down to the 1 hour. What's the 1 hour giving us? The 1 hour is giving us nice pullback for progression to the downside. That's what it's looked like. The reason why I'm saying this is because we in this trend. You know what I'm saying? Trend, we don't worry about the trend, but we do worry about the trend at the same time. So we're gonna take something right there. Clone. We gonna hit it right there. We gonna clone. Bring that up. All right, that's not much. That's let's see how far that is. Okay, that's 44 pips. That's fine. And we gonna clone this. Bring this over. And we're going to okay, we're gonna bring this down here. Now, will it get down here? I don't know. It could. This looked like a, you know what I'm saying, a decent range to fill. We're currently up here. We're looking at it like down here in this area, but is that a clean enough range for you? So we just gonna see what happens. You know what I'm saying? Right now we're just back testing. So we go down to 30-minute. First of all, let's actually go to the time that we usually get on. So this is 3:30, 4:30, 5:30. I mean, yeah, 5:30, 4:30. No. 3:30. Wait, what? Oh, this is Sunday. Ha ha ha. Silly me. Okay. So Monday during a London session looked like we actually started this move. So, okay. Wait. You went too far. We don't know what happened. We didn't see this. Okay, so now let's look at it from the hour. Okay, the hour. So being that it's going down, we probably still just gonna have these same zones because 5:30 we're just now getting on. It's the end of London session. The move is just now begun. We don't have a pullback, a defined pullback to let us know, hey, it's time. All right, so the 30-minute we just slowed up a bit. I actually want to see over here why have we slowed up. Is there a reason we've slowed up? Okay. No specific reason that we've slowed up. Or is it? So we've slowed up, okay. So now we want to break this. So we're gonna clone this. We're gonna take this. This is our new zone. Okay, that is not a clean range to fill on the 15 minutes. But on the hour though, it's a little better. Not too much better, but it's a little better. And we're gonna take this away because we don't need this. We're only going zone by zone. So if we break that zone, we go into that zone. You get me? Understand? And if we break this zone down below, we're going to this zone. Now it's time to look left and see what we have left. Time to look left and see if we can get any partial profits along the way. That's what we're looking for, partial profits. So, okay, I like this. Okay, 90 something pips. Even better, this. Now keep in mind, we are looking for guaranteed profits. We're not looking for, hey, I want to catch 100,000 pips, because with that 100,000 pips or 1,700 pips that you got could be worth the exact same thing depending on your lot size. So if I'm risking less with a bigger lot size, I'm gaining more money. You could be risking more with a smaller lot size and you're gaining like 10 cents a pip. Every pip counts. I don't need 1,700 pips, man. This ain't no diss. But so we get right. See, let's see how far this is from our zone actually. Whoa. Okay. Oh man. Wait, Monday. Sheesh, man, that's what I did. I cut it off. Monday at 5:30. Monday at 5:30. So I'm not paying attention to what just happened. Okay. January 2nd at 5:30. Okay. Alright, so London session already basically did our move for us. But, you know what I'm saying? With one move, there's always another one. So we gonna go forward. Let's look at this 30-minute again. $30-minute don't look too shabby. It's really like slowed in momentum. It's not giving what it's supposed to be giving. But we know that we want to go to the downside. So the next 30-minute candle, weak. These candles are very small. So less than 5 pips. Less than 5 pips on a candle is wild. Okay. That's the 5:45 candle. 6 o'clock candle. Alright, we broke our zone. Now we're looking at this trade. Now we're saying, hey, let's actually draw the red box around this because it'll be easier to look at. Now we're saying, hey, on that next candle, let's see if we can grab some pips. We got our zones. I know that, hey, we didn't get right, but 1% is, you know what I'm saying, what I'm aiming for. So I'm aiming for 1%, at least 1%. So with 1%, I'm moving my losses to break even. Okay, so the next candle, and next candle come back in our zone, we're done. We're not taking it. We came all the way back in the red zone. But what we do instead, we adjust. Let's get this up out your way. We adjust. Okay, we see that it came back in our zone. We adjust. That's the last swing low. Our box adjusts. We adjust with the market. Next candle, you still haven't broken the low. We ain't even tested those lows. So what do you think we're doing? We still consolidating. Okay, we broke our zone. We broke our zone. Let's see what the next candle do. Okay, so real time, we did our pullback. We got in right here. That's long. Let's go short. We are risking 11 pips for 52. Now what I didn't do is I didn't actually look for partials in between these. So let me go do that. Let's make this zone a little bit smaller because it's about as big as somebody on my 300-pound life. So actually, a matter of fact, let's say it this way. We wouldn't have taken this at all. This is not a clean range. I just want to point that out. So now that I'm looking at this, this is not a clean range. So that's a clean range. That's a clean range. That could be filled, you know, it could have been filled, but it's like this is the beginning of an uptrend right here, so that wasn't gonna be filled. But this is a very good clean range. Say I caught this move up here. If I would have caught this move up here, close outside my zone, and I'm looking to get a clean range filled, okay, cool. I got my I got my, what is it, taken from, to be honest with you, me knowing that me knowing that we are uptrending, me knowing that, I wouldn't have taken this sell, first of all. But say I did take this sell, I would have got my 20 pips, my 1%. Stops would have been at break even. And if we got down here to 90 pips, okay, cool. But no, we got to this imbalance. And then we shifted. So this imbalance right here, I know this is not the imbalance that we own, but that would be like a partial after this. But we're not worried about that right now. What we're worried about is what's going on right now. The range that we are in right now, I would not taking this trade. So us knowing that we are not taking this trade, looking left, through foe. We wouldn't even have took this trade through foe. You know, we wouldn't even took this trade. Now let's see what actually happened. We came through, and then what we doing now? We're reversing. So I'm glad that I paid attention to the market. I'm glad I looked left. I'm glad I understood the market. Hey, this is not a clean range to trade. Because look, now I didn't hit my my stop loss. Lost trade. I lost 1%. If I would have taken this trade, if I would have never paid attention. Okay. So we gotta pay attention. Make that a #1 priority. So 8 o'clock, 8:45. 8:45 would have got taken out. I usually get off around 8:30, 8:15. I'm not taking any trades after 8 o'clock. Well, I mean after 8:15. That's 9:15 EST. A lot of stuff usually happens around 10, but I'm not looking forward at 10 because I've been on too long. Been on since 5:30. So this is my trading period. Okay. So I'm good. Monday was straight. Okay, let's go into Asia. All right, Asia, and we usually get on about 5:30. Asia. Dang, it looked like it was some news right here on Monday at 5:30. Let's check and see if it was some news. Monday at 5:30. Let's check and see if it was some news. What am I doing? Monday the 2nd. Bank holiday on GJ. So Monday, if I would have noticed this, I wouldn't even trade a GJ. Why? Because it is a bank holiday. Don't trade bank holidays. We don't trade bank holidays. At least I don't. That's why it's moving so slow, because no one's trading. So this is the next day, technically. So 5:30. Monday at 5:30. You know what I'm saying? So I would have never even traded this. Let's go and move to the next day. And I just want to point, after I see this, as soon as I see something like this, 31 pips on GJ, yeah, I'm good. Cause that's how many, well, how long is the candle? The whole candle is almost 50 pips. I'm done. I'm off. I'm not even looking at it anymore. We done fell out of love. And then what it do? You expect for it to go up and then it reverse. Which is wild, right? You expect for it to go up, but then it reverse. Crazy. You gotta pay attention. Alright. So this the real move. The real move was going down. How will we know that move? Because of this long wick right here. This long wick. Super long wick. I would have stayed out this trade because it does not follow my plan. But this wick, crazy. That wick let us know, hey, nope, you good. You are okay. I wouldn't even try to make a setup out of that because it ain't my setup. Golly. Alright, 3:15. So 4 hour, we're gonna pretend like, okay, this is the 12 o'clock hour candle. Shut up. So being that we just had this strong bearish move to the downside, I'm paying attention. I'm understanding. I'm looking left to see where our next move is. Okay. So it look like we on that zone. So if we want to continue, excuse me. If we want to continue down, we're gonna put that 4 hour right there. Say, hey, this is the next point where we flip. Let's get down to the 1 hour. The 1 hour, 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. We get on at 5:30, so I don't want the 5 o'clock hour to be shown just yet. So right now we got a bullish candle. We got our zone. Next zone going up. Clone. Is this zone right here. Okay, we haven't had anything to let us know that we're reversing back to the downside, so we can't have a zone right there. But what I do see is this hourly imbalance. We're gonna go down to the 15-minute and check and see if we can find a 15-minute imbalance. I like the 15-minute imbalance is better. Don't get me wrong, them hour imbalance do be getting hit. Them 4 hour imbalance, them daily imbalances, all they do be getting hit. But I like something that's more reliable with my time frame, the time frame that I trade. So this is in the 15-minute, this is the 1 hour, okay? So let's get down to 30-minute. 4:30, 5, 5:30. All right, 5:30 we get on, we see this. We would not be doing any of that. We got this. We got this zone. Let's see if we can get to this zone. You know what? I think I remember this. This was... Yeah, this was or was that last week? It could have been last week. But if I'm not mistaken, I was looking at this trade on Monday and I was like, dang, it just dropped. No, that was last week. That had to be last week. All right, so we got top. Ooh. We gonna clone this and find something over here to the left. We like looking left. Left is our friend. Okay. Yep. Yep. Yeah, buddy. Oh yeah. We got something good here. Alright. We got that. We got 2 imbalances I see on the 30-minute. Let's try to see those on the 15-minute though. Alright, so nothing on the 15-minute. We just gonna put this right here, because that's our next zone. We're gonna go back to the 30-minute, and we gonna put that 30-minute imbalance up. It let us know about our partials. 30-minute imbalance, like the 15-minute imbalances, but we didn't create an imbalance on the 15-minute. We created an imbalance on the 30-minute. Every imbalance matters, but sometimes they all don't. I mean, sometimes they don't. It's just a good note to know where they at. If you know what an imbalance is, you know what an imbalance is. I don't need to explain it. But if you don't, one day I will. One day I'll explain it. Why I put these there. It all come together. The longer you get farther in life of understanding. So say I put this imbalance here. It's technically already been touched, but it could be touched a million different times. This is the 30-minute. I put this here. It's 30-something pips away from the 4 hour. That's just away from the 4 hour. Okay. So we got our zone. We're looking at it from the 15-minute now. All right. I guess we got to go back over here one last time. How far along was that? That's September. All right, that's a clean enough range. On the 1 hour, yeah, that's a clean enough range. Okay. So, we're going back to the 15-minute. It is 5:45, and next candle. Okay. So, say I would have been on a little earlier, and I would have caught this move. So say I would have been on a little earlier, because that technically is a lower low than that. And I seen this closure outside this zone. At the break of this candle, well, first of all, I would like a wick. So I probably wouldn't have not. I would have not taken this, but break of this candle, and we're traveling towards these highs, which we got pushed way past that, and then now we're traveling towards these highs, which I assume we're going to get to. $6.30, $6.45. So we didn't get these highs. It's actually an imbalance right here in this area. So in the 15-minute, I'm just gonna rough estimate this imbalance. We would have got it. That's a lot of money. In the first imbalance, I'm just gonna rough estimate this one too. We would have got it. So from here, we caught 22 pips, about 1% after I take my partials. Then from there, 88 pips. So 88 pips, 100 if we get here. See it slowed up a bit. No worries, we gonna get it. But that's if we came in at 2 o'clock, waited for London session. This is London. All this is still London. Well, 7 o'clock is New York Open. 7 o'clock is, you know what I'm saying, New York Open. So we'd have been on this for a long time, and we'd have got that. So us seeing that this trade happened already, by the time we got on, we would have been getting on at the IMB field. Too risky. Not too risky, it's not possible, but too risky to trade. The move already happened. We wouldn't even be into this. Okay. So next trading day, it's about 8:15. Okay, now we're consolidating. So we got this strong move, 100 pip move on GJ. We got this 100 pip move on GJ. We're not doing nothing for a couple hours. We need time to charge up and go for another. But that's how it works. So I do remember saying that we was going to and I wrote it down in my notes too, that we were going to do the closure 1, 2, 3, see if it's still possible to get something on a third candle. But the closure already happened. Well, obviously this example is not going to work out, but the closure already happened. The next one was our green candle to let us know, getting this trade, we're about to take the ride up. And it looked like we didn't have a wick, but you gotta get in there. You gotta let yourself know, hey, we there. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see old buddy having fun right there? He having major fun. Stop loss right there. I mean, not stop loss. Not buy stop, but that's the point that we'd have got in for the buy. We'd have got in the buy right there. We'd have risked roughly 17 pips. So that's full risk right there to get $110, $108, $23, $89. Cause I'm getting profit along the way, man. I'm not waiting on my time to shine. Cause once I get the first profit, this changing from the point where we entered to no money taken away from us, all gains right here. That's where it's taken. That's where it's going. But the move already happened. The move happened before we even got on. We got on a little bit too late. We need to get on earlier. We need to get on at 4:30. That's what you're saying. So instead of waking up at 4:30, we need to wake up at 3:30, get our exercise in, and then take a shower after I exercise, and then get on at 4:30. That's what we need to do. Man, I ain't finna kill myself. I already be going to sleep late. Alright, cool. So that happened. Next trading day, which is Asian session. We trade Asian session sometimes. I like trading the Asian session. And it don't even look like nothing happened during New York. I mean, we got that little bitty boy move, but you know what I'm saying? Let's see if we can get the 4 hour. So actually, we gotta take that candle away. We know what happened, but we don't know what it looked like on the intraday. So it could just been like a little quick move sessions. We're gonna turn you off. 12. So I don't really pay attention to session highs and lows. I pay attention to market structure, but during the time frames, I mean, when I'm live trading, I'm going to put my session highs and lows because that lets me know a point that we could get to, that possibly could get to. I don't trade the session highs and lows like, hey, it closed above this session high or this session low, we're going to the next session high or next session low. No, I don't do that because it's no guarantee. What is guaranteed are your zones. That's the only thing that is guaranteed, your zones. From zone to zone. Even if it doesn't go to the zone, it went to a zone. So if it closed outside of one zone and start going, you probably just missed something in the market. If it don't get to your zone, you missed something like a little break in the market. You probably didn't understand that you were in an uptrend or something and you traded going down, you know. So we gotta also keep all that into effect. So today is Tuesday. We are on the 4 hour. $30 minutes in. All right, 4 hour. We're gonna go down to that 1 hour. 5. That's 3. That's 6. I mean, that's 4. That's 5. That's 5. We get on about 5:30. Whoa. I'm so sorry. Oh my God, we didn't see that. We don't know what's happening. Look in here. Gosh, why did I do that? So being here, we got zone. I actually want to put a box around this, but not yet. When we get down to the 15 minute, we're going to put that box right there. What am I doing? I'm cloning this. Clone. Right there. Clone. Right there. 30 minute. See, we already broke it on the 30 minute. That's crazy. But it's all good, though. We not tripping. You know why we not tripping? Because we about to draw this box. About to draw this zone. That's not a zone. This red zone. The red zone allows me to, hey, get outside of this. This is where we're going. Alright. Let's get that 15 minute going. Alright, last swing high. Now we got the bearish candle. Now we swinging back. Now we are, it's an imbalance. We're not worried about the imbalance because it's close to our entry. So we got to close above this imbalance to understand if we're gonna go. Rough estimate. Oh snap, that's definitely not what I was trying to do, but I guess we got the right estimate. 15 minute. So if we close down there, we got clean range. If we close up there, we got clean range. So this is 4:30, 5 o'clock. Our move already happened. Sheesh, did us dirty. And if we'd have got up there and then I noticed we start coming back down, man, I'm finna grab that money and I'm out. I'm not playing no games, because what's gonna happen? We got this long wick. Got this 17 pip wick. By the time that junk got to 15, I'm taking that money. I'm taking it. That's mine. I'ma snatch it like I stole something, you know? Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Alright. Snatch it like I stole something. And then what we going back? Down. Down. Ooh-wee. Took some. Everybody, break even would have already been in effect. As soon as this candle closed, break even would have already been in effect. As soon as this candle closed. Matter of fact, we'd have tried to get it right here though. So it closed too far up out of our zone. It closed 16 pips up out of our zone. No FOMO. We wouldn't have been in this trade. Delete. So we 1 for 1 right now. 1 for 1. Wait, are we? No, we technically actually haven't taken a trade this week, because this was cool, but it happened too early. That was cool. That was a good layout, but it happened too early. What's this? I don't trade 2 o'clock. So yeah, we haven't actually taken a successful trade yet, because we're following our risk management. Good. Let's go to the next day. Next day, Wednesday. Wednesday, what you gonna give us? Are you gonna be mean like you were in a series? I really actually didn't even watch that stuff. So Asian session, London session. All right, so we're gonna go to the 4 hour. Okay. We got a bullish 4 hour candle. That's a strong bullish 4 hours. So if we close above this, not if we close above it, but we gonna get above that. I take the tips of everything, because when you're breaking the high, it's like a little bit more excited than when you just break the candle. Because when you break the candle, you still gotta break that high. Let's keep in mind that we have closed 1, 2, 3. So we in the uptrend. We made higher highs 3 times. We in the uptrend on Wednesday. This is what Wednesday gave us. So 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, just getting a little closer to our time. 4 o'clock on the hour. So we gonna draw these zones. I like that. I like that zone. And I like old buddy down here. We gonna keep minding this zone, but we ain't gonna mark it. We making higher highs. So I like old buddy right here. But that ain't the last of that. So 30 minute. See, like I told you, that's not the last. 30 minute. Whoop the whoop. Okay, okay. Clone. We made a high. 30 minute. 5 o'clock. 15 minute. Okay. We made a high. Now look at this. If you would have understood this, this is why. Hold on, this happened at 5:15. Trading into this, I probably would have took this. And I wish I noticed it when I was backtesting this. But this happened at 5:15. 5:30, we would have got on. 5:45, 6 o'clock, we'd have just been getting into it. So we broke these lows. We got that liquidity wick. We about to shoot down. What you talking about? I don't care about none of that. All this noise. We trading in all this noise. What? That's a good. I'm taking it as far as you gonna trying to go. Far as you gonna take it with us. Because if I take it as far as you taking it with us, how many pips was that been? 40 just to our zone that we created. Over 100. Let's get the real number. We want the real number. And we'd have probably been out right there. So I won't say that's the exact point we'd have been out, but we've been out roughly about there. That's over 100 pips. Almost 200 pips. Think about if we risk 30 pips, we using half our lot size because of how, you know what I'm saying, we using like half our lot size. And we sliding down. We sliding down like we sliding down the slide. They got lubrication on it. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Back to the topic that's going on today in today's time. So we at 5:15. We not on the charts yet. We at 5:30. We got that flip. Could this be our chance of reversal in the market? Right now we still setting up. 5:45 we still setting up. But we got 2 candles that are showing us bullish momentum. So that is a new zone. We got that. You see how tight we got that? You see how tight we got it? I'm the type person that'll put this right here. Cause we ain't worried about that. We ain't worried about you either, buddy. You can be deleted. You know what I'm saying? We worried about you because we want to get to either A or B. You know what I'm saying? So what we do, we got our 2 zones. We go get our red zone. Our red zone is letting us know, hey, close outside of this if you want to. Watch what I do to you. Close outside of this if you want to. Watch what I do to you. Let's keep in mind we've already closed above the 4 hour. So close outside this red zone and watch what I do to you. I'm gonna beat you like a bad kid. Oh. What we doing? We being petty with it. Oh. This is why we need our red zones, man. I was actually looking at this trade. Now, even though I know what happened, this is an easy 30 pips to get. Easy little 30 piece. Know why? We made it close outside this zone. 6. Wait, was it 30? Yeah, easy 35 piece. We would have got in. Let's actually see if we would have got in. How many pips is that? 27. Half risk. 27 for 119. We wouldn't have got in. That's not enough. We wouldn't have got in. Let's see what it did though. Alright. That second candle. The first candle, we notice is shot. Second candle, come back in our zone. So this is the 1, 2, 3 candle mode. Of course, we would have probably got in on that first candle. So we got the break outside that zone. We got in right here. Not on that candle, but that candle right there. Aiming for this. Trying to get there. We would have. Keep in mind, it is an imbalance right here. So we're not tripping. but 1, 2, 3. The third candle is showing signs of, hey, I want to go down. Okay. Eight. 8:15. So this is not what I was actually talking about. 8:30. I would have been off the charts by then. Why would I want to be in this trade and I'm off the charts? So about 8:15, I'd have probably took my little partials. I don't like the idea of my money moving while I'm gone. You know. Well, actually, we would have never actually gotten this trade because of how many pips that we are risking compared to what our profit is. So that's basically a 1-to-1. What I'm aiming for 1-to-1 for. I don't want no 1-to-1. I want like a 1 to 30, 1 to 1,000. And we got back up, touched this again. Oh, we still going. We still going. All right. But so, well, hey, okay, I'm learning something right now. So we got to the top of this. I probably would have gotten this trade because this is guaranteed profit. Okay, that's guaranteed profit. But I'm aiming for, that's the next zone I'm aiming for. Clone. By 8:15, I'm already break even. It's definitely more to it. It's definitely more to it. So right there, we got that. All right. Next zone. And cause I trade off my laptop, I don't trade on the phone. You know, Apple took MT5 up off the phone. We can't even download it. I can't trade on my phone. You know, they took MT5 up off the Apple devices. I don't know why. Y'all really tripping, bro. It's crazy because y'all was alliance with Russia, but hey, man, to each his own, man, because they start beating on people. You know what I'm saying? Still going up. Still going up. Still going up. Still going up. Look at that. Look at this. That's almost 700 pips. And you gave it to us. And y'all gave us 700. I think I just need to be that type of person. Try to get 1,000 pips each time. I don't care. I just need to try to get 1,000 pips each time. And zone by zone, I'm taking it. When I get my 1,000 pips, that's when I'm getting out the trade. You know, that's when I'm really getting out the trade. Let's see how far we actually can take this. Now, keep in mind, 8:15, I'm off the charts. I'm off this mug. So, by 8:15, this is 8:15. I'm probably gonna watch 8:30 candle. It's most likely I'm gonna watch 8:30 candle. But I'm not gonna trade 8:30 candle. I'm not gonna get into a trade at 8:30. Okay, so this was the idea of, hey, pull back, get into the IMB field. I'm already into it because I'm following my trading plan. I'm already into it. So I'm technically glad that it didn't come shoot down, grab liquidity, and then shoot up. I'm glad because I've seen that before and I've been stuck in that before. But follow my rules. On that second candle, I got in because I got to pull back into my zone. And then I came up. 8:15. I see this trade going into my favor now. It respected my idea. And now I'm trying to get 1,000 pips out of this. I need to try to get 1,000 pips every time, huh? I'm taking zone by zone. Taking zone by zone. Let's see. Zone by zone. We at 900 right now. Let's see if we get 900. 900 smashed. Alright. 1,000 pips. Where 1,000 at? Cause it gotta be a cutoff loan. Wait, is that 900? Yeah, that's 900 pips, right? Yeah. $9.76. Got the 9.76. Wait, is it 900 or is it 250? Am I tripping? I think I'm tripping right now. Okay, that's 250 pips. So where the hell I get 900 from? Oh my gosh. So 250 pips. That's wild. On GJ, how did I miss that? I think, you know what I think I did? I was looking at this trade, but then I got off. I was just like, hey man, better just not to look at it right now. But hey, now I'm going back. I'm understanding what's going on. I'm seeing the setup. I'm good. So I need to try to get 250 every time, huh? Oh, wait. Yeah, I need to try to get 250 every time. That's a bet. Let's see if we can get right there. All right, now we coming back down. Now we consolidating. I'm still in this trade. We ain't dropped a lot. Still in it. And carried on a couple days now. Alright, you gotta have a cutoff point at some point, man. So 250, that sound good. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, I'm back. I had to take a break because I feel like you need to take a break after backtesting for some time. We're probably about an hour in. You know, your mind get overloaded with doing too much. So you only do one trade a day. You know what I'm saying? One solid trade a day. Probably 2 to 3 a week. You know what I'm saying? We got 250 off of this. You know what I'm saying? We stop right here. We got 250 up out of that. We good. So doing 250 on a trade is obviously what we aim to get. We're gonna aim to get that. You know what I'm saying? We just gonna automatically set our 250 and call it that. You know what I'm saying? Call it that. But along the way, we're gonna take our partials. Partial here, partial here, partial here, partial here. Okay? If we don't get the whole 250, what we being mad for? Ain't no use to getting mad. There's no use to getting mad. Alright, so next day. Not next day, later in the day. I'm actually gonna go to hour. Sheesh, man. Sheesh. Chill. You're doing too much. It's crazy because we already seen it. But if I was like just getting on this, I'd be like, oh, it's still time to go. It's still room for improvement. You know what's so funny? I believe people was aiming for this day. They was aiming to get up here. And this 4-hour candle was just like, hey, yeah, we're about to get right. So if you take this zone, close outside this zone, 1-2 candles, they'd already probably been in this trade. Trade didn't happen till 8. No, I couldn't be the one. I could not be the one. But okay, so 4-hour candle. Pretend like we didn't see that. $4 lets us know if we go above here, we're going up there. So 1 hour. We don't go there. We're going up here. I doubt we're going up here because of this little, you know what I'm saying, these wicks right here. Like, it's like super wicked out right there. It's 3 o'clock. 4 o'clock. 5 o'clock. It's including 5:30. Yep. 5:30 we getting on the charts. 30-minute. We don't have anything towards the bottom yet. That's guaranteed profits. If we go up, we can get right there. Guaranteed. Okay now. Okay, now we getting the business. We getting the business. So we would have noticed this. But that happened at 4:45, so we wasn't on the charts yet. But knowing that 1, 2, 5:15, we get on at 5:30. Trade is already gone. Okay. Oh, candle flip. Candle flip right there. So candle flip right there at the neck. Stops right there. But I don't trade candle flips. I'm just saying, hey, that's what happened. I trade the break of a zone. You know what I'm saying? The break. I trade the red box, my red zone strategy. That's what I trade. I like the red zone strategy. You know what I'm saying? Put that box there and we be out. You know? We be out. But this already happened, so I'm good. What I'm still trading for. The move already started. I go and I look for imbalances in the market. Well, first of all, that's 41 pips right there. Clean as day. I could have got easy. Even right there, 20 pips. Clean as day. Could have got easy. Guaranteed. I actually want to move this up because Wait. Let's look at the hour again. Okay. See, that was the hour zone right there. And that's exactly what happened. That's exactly what happened. I mean, we could have got this later on in the day. Well, at the end of the night. You know what I'm saying? Get your guaranteed though. Get your guaranteed. So we aiming for 250 or more, and along the way we getting our profits. Along the way we getting our zones. All right, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. It's so cool that it's just so cool. So even though that would have happened, I see it. We definitely 1 for 1 right now. Good trade, over 250 pips for the week. If I would have seen that. And by 7:15, which is 8 o'clock open, 7 o'clock, I'm good. I'm not even looking. See, like, it's playing with me. Still ain't. Well, it closed below, but hey, it's playing with me. See, look. That's why you set your zones. All right, delete. So that's Wednesday. Cool on Wednesday. I moved to gold. Just want to see what gold hitting like. Alright, so I definitely didn't want to see this candle. And what candle is this? Okay, so yeah, it definitely didn't. Oh, let's remember, Monday we wouldn't have been trading. Bank holiday on GJ. Does that matter though? Does it? Let's see. Let's actually see. I don't know if it matters or not, but let's see. Alright, so the previous candle was bullish. We're gonna put bullish right there. We're gonna change that to clone. No, not clone. We're gonna change that to 4-hour line. Go down to the 1 hour. Okay, we still on Friday. So forward to Monday at 5. Okay, so this is Asian session. Okay, so we technically skipped a whole day, which was the first. I'm not mad about it because I knew the first was gonna happen, but like, Hey, okay. Okay. Hey, we just gonna go to the next day. Like I said, I ain't even looking to trade gold. I'm cool on that. Let's see what this 4-hour hidden like on gold. Okay. Last candle was bullish. This is the 4-hour top. And let's keep in mind where we at in the market. Let's go to the left and see where we at in the market. We are in a range that is nice and thrilling. So a high chance of reversal in my mind. So we're definitely looking for the downside. It's the bottom of the 4-hour. I'm gonna mark that as well. Alright, so I'm gonna mark that as well. Down below on the hourly, we got the zones happening. Okay, so that's 2 o'clock. I know that's the 5 o'clock candle. We usually get on about 5:30, so we gonna check that out. We don't need this because we're passing this 4-hour. Okay. Still making our analysis. It's about 5:30. Whoa. No, we're technically not making our analysis. Analysis should be done by this time. We just watching now. We don't have. Okay, there we go. This is guaranteed money. See how far away that is. About 45 pips. Not too bad. Not too bad. Okay. Hello. All right, so back at it like we never left. We gonna go slide down to this 15 minute. 15 minutes is what we doing. Wow. So personally, I'm not liking this feeling. I wouldn't be taking this trade, but that's just how my emotions are set up right now. Let's see if we can all right. Simple, just like that. What's that, 7 o'clock? We would have been in this trade. Why would we have been in this trade? Because soon as I seen that first reversal candle, I'd have been drawing this red zone. On top of that, just like that, I'd have been drawing this red zone. Alright. We don't need this anymore. So we got that, and we're aiming for this up here. But along the way, we gonna catch this 34 pips. And what's the... Oh, I would have not been in this trade. 40 pips? No. Skip no. And look. I would have got my TP. I would have got all the way up there. But it was just too much. I'd have been risking too much. I'm not gonna be out here looking like a duck. No. I'm not gonna be out here risking too much. No. See, look. You see how that works? You got that first reversal candle. Red zone already up. 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock is 8 o'clock open. You know what I'm saying? By 8:30, I'm about to trade. I'm good. I got my partials right here. Partials. I'm gonna just put the TP candle. I got my partials right there. Okay. Yeah. The rest of that is just, you know what I'm saying, easy money. More money. Okay, so I would have not been in this trade because of how long, you know what I'm saying? Even if I just only risk 30 pips. Let's say I just only risk 30 pips. I'd have been straight, but I want safe and secure, so I want to risk the whole 40. You know what I'm saying? I'm good on that. Good on that. All right, next day. See, look, exactly. I mean, that's an easy little money right there, but exactly. It do what it wants to do. Dang, I thought I took this off. Alright, the last candle was bullish. I actually think I looked at this trade. If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think I was watching this trade. So we're gonna get right. Last candle was bullish. We gonna hit that bullish momentum candle right there. On the 4 hour, 1 hour, what we doing? These are our zones. 1 hour zone is, okay, that's 3 o'clock. 5 o'clock, 5:30. All right, cool. So 1 hour is right there. We gonna hit that template and we gonna zone that out. We gonna clone that. Next one is right there. We gonna clone that. Next one is right there. We gonna go down to the 30-minute. Okay, the 30 minutes to them. Let's put that right there. Yeah, I definitely looked at this. Okay. And we gonna take that. So we actually gonna put it on. We're actually gonna put this on right here. So we've closed up out this zone at 5:30. and then we close right back in the zone. So instead of that zone, we're gonna take this. Okay. All right. So 6 o'clock, 30 minute, 15 minute. And that'll be going right there, because that's a clean range. And that'll be going right there, because that's a clean range. That will be coming into play. Because I see you, buddy. I see you. I understand you. I understand you probably hate me too. And that will be coming to play. So I create something for the top and the bottom. So do I want it to go above the 4 hour, or do I want it to go above the zone? I think I just wanted to go above the 4 hour. If I'm not mistaken, I think this went up. Yeah, I was watching this and I remember like the entry candle was just not too valid for me. Okay, we got our first swing low, red zone. But that's not a clean range, so no red zone. The clean range is up here, so technically this whole thing right here would be our red zone. Next, 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock is open. Open and came out, closed above the previous. Is that clear indication that we're gonna go up? Maybe. By the time it got here, I was like, nah, I'm good. I should have took the signs of, hey, this is really a red zone. You know, that's what I should have took the signs as. This is really what you should have been closing above. And which we did. So I would have took something right there. I waited for this candle to form to even notice it, when I should have noticed it right here closing above this. That's what I should have did. So previous high, previous notes, previous high, previous low. You know what I'm saying? Not the, I'm talking about like the immediate last high, immediate last low. And if that would have happened, yeah, I definitely seen this. I want to see how much this candle was for me to be like, okay, let's go. $20 pips aimed for. $20 pips aimed for 72. First candle we get our IMB fill, which is 20 pips away, so we break even. Okay, next came pull back, go slide up. Next came pull back, slide up a little bit more. Next pull back, bearish, bearish. Oh, bullish. Keep them coming. Look like you're slowing down the momentum, but we got it. We got it. Nearly happened at night. Oh my gosh. So like 12. Why I say it like that? So why did I say it like that? All right. So it worked out for us. So next time, the last swing high, last swing low. That's what we need to focus on. The last of the last. And see, I'm glad that we got in. And we weren't trading during this time. Because if we were trading during this time, we'd have been like, hold the last swing high. Oh, broke. Let's see if it goes down. All right, didn't go down. Okay. Well, now we adjusting. Last swing high, last swing low. It closed above the last swing high. It wasn't ready yet though. First candle, closed above that. We got right. Probably would have gotten this trade, but ain't no wick right here. Ain't no wick at the bottom of that either. Oh. So seeing that, man, that's crazy. I've never seen a candle like this. This yellow candle right here. I've never seen a candle like this. That is so wild. All right. Oh, okay. We still closed above it, but you gotta be petty. You got to be petty. You gotta get in there. Yeah. So this was basically just a missed opportunity this Tuesday when I was trading the Asia session. I didn't understand it. I got it now. So we're gonna add this to our journal because this is something that we actually would have taken. So in the 15 minutes, and let's write our notes down. Red zone is valid for last swing high or low Okay. It should not have taken that long to do that. So next time we see this, because you know trading is deja vu. So next time we see this, we're going to know. This is where we got our zone from. We good. We got our 70 something pips. Let's take a screenshot of this. Copy. And I'm going to put this into my back testing section of my trading journal. So what's today's date? January 3rd 3-2022-2023 new year, new lunar year. And this happened at 7:15 p.m. after the open of Asia. So 7:15 p.m. I would have gotten to this trade. This is gold. This is the OG strategy. This would have most likely been market execution. Let's see how many pips this is. Little under 20 pips, so this would have been full risk. These are sheesh, what am I doing? This would have been full risk. And we would have entered at $18.40. we would closed at our take profit, which is 1847. So no, disregard that 250. We just gonna get what's given to us. And we got the, okay, gotta get the trade. So the reason why we would have taken this, because after this 4-hour break, there was a nice clean range. Okay, nice clean range after the 4-hour break, and that's so critical, so critical. Now let's see if we would have got anything different on the 30-minute, which is the higher time frame. Same setup, higher time frame. What about on the hour? Anything different on the hour? Okay, I think I like the 30-minute better. Well, on the 30-minute, it would have been this zone. Okay, make sure we understand that. Instead of IMB, partials would have been taken right here. So template, we're gonna put, we're gonna remove that actually, and we're gonna put take profit right here. That's on the 30-minute. Traveling for these goals right here. All right, we're gonna copy that chart image, so if we see this again, we will understand. Okay, I'm gonna copy this to be lime because this is what I like. Notes. What's our notes on this one? The red zone is valid for the last swing high or low. All right. This is just Tuesday. That's a good setup right there, huh? That is a great setup. Let's see, actually see right there. Okay, I understand. But if I would have been on the 15-minute, the 15-minute is, you know what I'm saying, more cleaner. I would have just took my IMB field. That's guaranteed profit. Stop loss would have been in the dough. We Gucci. Nothing lost, everything won. All right. So notice how we got this engulfing candle right here. All right, new day, new day. All this don't even matter. Okay, it doesn't matter. Well, I guess we do need to, huh? We do need to try to get 250 out of everything, huh? Because if we in a trade, I'm trying to get as much as I can about the market, and we're gonna take it zone by zone. So we do need to try to get 250. Okay, sound like a bet. Notes. Let's try for 250 pips each trade. Okay, now when I say this, we have our zone that is valid, that we know we are going to get this. Okay, however many so pips this is. But after that, I want to try for more pips. After that, I want to try for Alright, so after that, we gonna try for what we want. We got what we get. We got what we are given. Now let's get what we want. What we want is not guaranteed. What we're given is guaranteed. But what we want can happen. Valid, so valid. It can happen. And we see it right here. Let's actually undo this. Okay. What we want can happen. That's 190. Where did that zone come from? Dang, gold. We getting right, huh? We getting right, huh, gold? Gosh. Y'all gonna give us anything? Let's see if we do the 4 hour. Okay, so it cut all through there. That's pretty nice. All right. And then the next one is right here. That's all right. Okay. So we got what we want about the market. Was guaranteed of us. Now let's see if we gonna get what we want. What we want is 250, but 195 is okay. Okay. Now keep in mind, this is all guaranteed. Matter of fact, we gonna do 2,500. Well, 250, 250 pips. I'm so slow. Profit. Oh. Okay. That's 50. That's 70. That's 159. Come on, buddy. All right, I got up out of that. That's 50, 44, 50, 40, 44, 9, 100 and let's keep in mind this is where our zone was. So that's 74. Amazing. But we kept it going. 166. 324. Alright. So zones after so and so. Okay. But look. Let's keep in mind we only want 250. Does it look like we got our 250? Did they give us our 250 pips? That looked like we got it. You know? Probably was a pip off. But with the spread, we got that. With the spread, we got that. Spread could be 2 pips, but with the spread, we got that. We got it. So 250 pips, that's valid. Every day. That's what we're aiming for. Alright, we're gonna remove those. New trading day. I don't know what happened. I don't know. I wasn't paying attention. Nope. 5. Nope. Alright, we're gonna go 3 o'clock. Okay, we're gonna get this 4 hour. Cut that off. Cool beans. 4 hour. So we aiming for 250 pips for each trade. I think we gonna get it. I think it's possible. It's definitely possible. You see, what we just did is definitely possible. You know, definitely part of that. Alright, we're gonna get this 1 hour. 1 hour, what we looking like? 1 hour look like we just went up so massive. Alright, that's 2 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock. 5 and 5:30. We getting on about 5:30. So we cool. Drawing our zones. Clone this, where we going. Attach what's the last thing that's been broken. Okay. Up here, this is what we got going up here. Okay, I'm not worried about that though. That's what we got going down here. And because that's a bullish, what we got going down there. Alright, 30 minute. 30 minute letting us know what's going on. And 15 minute. All right, So us seeing this right here, based off what we just did, this right here would be our red zone. It's the last swing low and swing high. Okay. 5:30, 5:45, 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock, we came down, but we haven't broke anything yet. All right. 6:15, we've broken this. It's 44 pips. I would not be in this trade. Let's get away from that. I would not be in this trade. Let it go, let it go. You got your partials right there. Let it go. Come back. Exactly. I would not be in this trade, but I got my partials though. I would not be in this trade because how many pips it was. Matter of fact, I didn't even get no partials. I started the trade down there. That's what happened. That's exactly why I wasn't in this trade. It's a dud. A whole dud. 7:45. Oh, I see this. 8 o'clock. And I don't even think we took any trades this morning. We didn't. I know we didn't. 8:15. It's playing. 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 Look at that. Look how well it's playing. It came down to this imbalance though. But look how well it is playing. Playing with your emotions. Gold loves doing that. Yeah, But I'm not trading during this time. I'm not looking to even trade it. Take a trade after 8 o'clock. If I don't get the trade, in the morning, it's over with. Cool beans. Next day. Next trading day. All right. See if we can get that 4 hour. Okay, I don't see this. I don't know what's going on. I don't see it. So cool. 1 hour. 5 o'clock, 5:30. This is what time we get on. Start drawing these zones. This zone's right there because we have a bearish candle. That zone's right there. That zone's right there. Clone. Oh, what am I doing? 30 minutes. All right. Okay. So 15 minutes. I don't think I traded this day. Well, this night. This is Wednesday. I don't think I traded Wednesday. If I'm not mistaken, it was just Tuesday and Thursday that I traded Asian session. This week. Yeah. So, see this on a 15-minute. Last swing red zone. Last swing high. Combined with the last swing low. Well, that's not the last swing low, but that's the last swing high of the last swing high. Okay. All right. So it is 6. We did not close above and at 7 o'clock, but we did close above at 7:15. I noticed this. That's only 13 pips guaranteed. Why do I want to take anything less than 2-to-1? Why? Why would I want to take anything less than 1%? Okay. Now, yeah, we're going to estimate the 250. We're going for that. But our initial trade is less than 1%. That's 25 pips for 13 pips. Does that sound logical? No, not at all. And we didn't even get it. We didn't even get the 13 pips. What I look like? Exactly. A dummy. A dummy. All right. So Wednesday's cool. And I'm gonna do one more. So that's gonna be Thursday morning that I'm about to do. And then we're gonna be good. I don't even think I traded Friday morning, but we're gonna be good. So Thursday morning. Alright, so London session. 4-hour sessions. Last candle was bearish. 4-hour. Right there, just like that. The 1 hour. We know this is 2 o'clock. We get on at 5:30, so 4 o'clock is where I'm stopping. 4 o'clock. This is our last swing low. And this is our last swing high, but I'm pretty sure we're going to get another one. And what about this down here? Okay. 30 minute. 30 minute look good. So we are going to clone this. 30 minute right there. 15 minute. 4:45. 5:15. 5:30. That's right there. We're gonna thin that out a little bit. That's right there. We're gonna thin that out just a tad bit. What I want big zones for. That's the clean range to fill. Not so clean range. Not so clean range. That's what I mean when I say that. On the lower time frame, it's not so clean. On the higher time frame, it's a little cleaner, but it's very wicked out on the higher time frame. Not so clean range. When we go to the bottom, clean range. 1 hour cleanliness. All right. So what are we doing? We waiting till it breaks one of these levels. Our red zone can be drawn. Our red zone is drawn. I mean, I could have drawn it right here. I'm just being realistic. I could have drawn it right here. Right here, I would have seen it. How many pips is that? 26 pips. This is gold. That's pretty nice. Came back. I see no wick. Oh, there it is. I see it. What's that? 35 pips. Guaranteed. We aiming for how this is. Oh, I'm already on. This would have never happened. Let's look for another one. So we're gonna take the initial one. And we got that. We got them pips. But I wasn't on. So that was very risky. And I actually seen this one happen. And I was very devastated that I did not get into this, but I follow my risk management. So if I would have seen it up here, we'd have been straight. We would have been good, came through, got down. We'd have got when we got these profits down here, we'd have moved our stops to break even. Let it go as it wants to. Let it go as it wants to. 250 pips we are aiming for, so let's measure out 250 pips. Long position, short position. So that right there. There we go. Right. Wait, is that the high of that? Okay. And 250 pips. 2,500. 25,000. Am I tripping? It's not 25,000, is it? 30 pips. 79. Yeah, it's 25,000. Alright, let's see if we got the 25K. Nope. Oh. We getting there. Nope. We didn't get it. But what did we get? We got this zone right here. That's what we did get. We did get that zone. We grabbed them partials right there. All right, we grabbed them partials. This is why it's good to look left. We grabbed them partials. Did we get it? We still in this trade. Did we get it? Come on. Either one or two things gonna happen: break even, or our partials. I mean, our 250. Break even or our 250. Break even one. Woohoo! But we got, this is 65% taken off. 50% of that 50%. 50% of that 50%. And the rest. Okay? 65%. 50% of that 65%. I mean, of that, what, 73%? Oh my God, I'm tripping. 35%. 65%. 50% of that 35%. 50% of that, what is that? 12 and a half. So it's really like 13 or 12, one of them %, and the rest. Break even one though. Break even one. Yeah, I'm that petty, man. I'm that petty. I want everything that can get to me. Well, thank you guys for tuning in, and I appreciate you leaving a like, leaving a comment, subscribing. You know what I'm saying? If you do things different in your back testing sessions, let me know about that. And we're gonna get right. See you guys in the next one.